Alrighty, folks. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. My name is Bojan Petreski. Today is December 14th, 2021. We'll be doing the 3D market commentary. The disclaimer is there for your use, for your protection. Make sure to read it and understand it. And we'll be getting started with our session in just a few seconds here. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started. This is what the 3D market commentary would look like in your screen. Um, Again, we're calling it a 3D approach, a 3D market commentary, because we are looking at three dimensions of the market. We are looking at the market climate, the buy and sell UFOs, and the market volatility of that particular instrument. Now, the market climate is what we have here on the bottom. That's the indicator that we utilize. It's called the auto climate. It's giving us those upcoming market directions, whether we should be looking to go long or short. Buy and sell UFOs, the unfilled orders, the unmistakably named so flying saucers that you see here, they give us the potential turning points for the opportunities that we may be looking at. And then, of course, the market volatility giving us the upcoming price change speed. So, if we should be adjusting our risk to reward ratio. All right, so we do combine these statistical elements to help us give us an edge and keep us level-headed, unemotional with the markets. All right, so the current market climate on the S&P is confirmed. It is an up climate. It's the fifth day up out of typically 9. And we do not have any sell UFOs because, again, we are around that all-time high area. We are sliding a little bit lower now. We are looking at a buy UFO at 44.79.75 to 44.36.25. And then, of course, based on the VIX, we're looking at 20.94% with a daily expected move of $61.34. Okay, for the S&P, not much else to say other than we've gone through an all-time high period, retracted a little bit, started making new lows, went for another all-time high run, a little pullback, another run, but no close above, a steep pullback down, just as quick of a pullback up, and now we're again in that area up here that's currently developing. Um, we did have a pretty bearish candle, then a bullish engulfment, now a bearish engulfment. So it's very indecisive. It's very much sideways. Given the position that we're in at all time highs, it's not really an easy place to trade it. But obviously that's all we have. We do have an up climate confirmation. Therefore, the edge is still to the upside, even though we are at these all-time highs. Now, if you're looking to educate yourself, we do offer futures, stocks, forex, backtesting, trading plans, and trading psychology courses. You can browse and register for a course using this link here. A 3-month complimentary access to Auto UFOs and Auto Climate is there for you should you choose to register for any one of these courses. So I think that in itself is worth the value. So definitely check it out. Let us know what you think. All right. The next instrument that we're going to be looking at, it will be crude oil. Crude oil does not have a confirmed climate. Sell UFOs are at 79.23 to 77.98. Buy UFOs down below 69.49 to 62.43. Based on the OVX, we're looking at 45.88% volatility. Okay, crude oil made a run up to that 85 area, did not quite, close up there, then started pulling back down, and then a steep pullback followed as well. So that's where we currently are right now. Now, if you need the AutoUFOs app, we do have it here available for TradingView, TradeStation, and MetaTrader. You can use this link here to subscribe to it, and we do offer monthly or yearly memberships. All right, let's go ahead and go on to gold. So gold also does not have a daily confirmed climate. We do have the sell UFO that we've developed from that drop. As soon as we went past that line in the sand that we've talked about many times, Um, 1844.2 to 1873.3. Buy UFO down below 1652.8 to 1624.4. We've talked about gold quite a bit in the past, several, I would say, weeks, if not months. Right, this was that line in the sand that we said basically, this is still strong resistance area. It's been tested several times. Never, didn't quite make it there. Didn't quite make it here again, and then it just went through it, sliced through it, only to be thrown back into this entire trading range area. So not much else to be said for gold here, except it's still indecisive. It still doesn't know which way to go. As of right now, we also are not receiving any help from the auto climate. Right, it is not confirmed. Therefore, we gotta sit on our hands a little bit. Right now, if you need coaching or support, you can use this link here to sign up for all asset advanced coaching. Um, Apart from the daily live trading sessions that we have that are really compatible with all time zones, you can sign up for all asset advanced coaching here, where you can have one-on-one sessions with any one of the instructors here on the channel, and that might help you avoid bad habits that you may not even know that you have. So definitely check that out as well. All right, now next is the dollar. It is in an up climate. It is confirmed, the first one out of 5 days. Sell UFO right there nearby, 96,660 to 96,940, which overlaps with this 96,790 to 97,810. The buy UFO that was tested here once, 95,595 to 94,965. All right, and based on EVZ, we're looking at 5.88% volatility. The dollar's been, going pretty strong moves up. Always kind of testing out areas, doing a little bit of a pullback, given an opportunity to go up for, only to see, this is the only pullback that kind of did surprise me was this one here. Other than that, this has been pretty, easy to kind of anticipate. Uh, After this area, I did not, after this drop, did not quite see this giant move up here. But other than that, it's been pretty, I would say, pretty statistically calculated moves. So that's that for the dollar. I understand many of you may not be trading it. That's okay. You should still understand what the dollar is doing if you're trading forex. All right. Now, if you don't want to read this overview, you're more than welcome to join us here on YouTube. My colleague Becky and I go through these Monday through Friday, every day of the week. And then, of course, this link here will take you to our YouTube channel, where you can sign up and subscribe to our channel, and click that little bell notification icon so we can get the word out. All right. Last but not least, Bitcoin. All right. So Bitcoin, it is still it's in a down climate. It is confirmed. It's the 10th day that it's been going down for. And we do have a little dash here because we still need more data to compute the typical amount of candles that Bitcoin goes up and down for. It just developed a new UFO right here, 47,485 to 48,650. Buy UFO down below at 32,820 to 31,650. According to the BVIN, we are looking at 88.59% volatility, which again is elevated volatility. 2637, the daily expected move. All right, and then before we hop into the weekly economic calendar, if you do want to become a top trader, this is something brand new that we have released. It's our Agnostic Broker Agnostic platform that can be used to trade all assets. The Tradictive Options Planner, of course, aimed at primarily options traders, but it can also be used to trade any other asset as well. Um, click this link here to learn more and subscribe. All right, now last but definitely not least is news for the week. So for today, a couple of things coming out of Great Britain: retail sales in China, CPI in Britain, retail sales in the U.S., Bank of Canada consumer price, the Fed's interest rate. Now, this is getting a little bit of news traction because they are thinking about announcing when they will taper. So it'll be very very crucial to watch what happens on Wednesday for this European Council meeting, PMI in Europe, several things coming out of Great Britain as well, including their interest rate decision, and then their rate hikes, and then of course in Europe deposit rate decisions, and as well as the interest rate decision, which is currently at zero in Europe. And then, of course, same thing in Bank of Japan, which is negative zero point 0.1, and then the interest rate decision for China 3.85. So quite a bit of news, quite a bit of interest rate decisions this week. All right, folks, thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.